To prepare your MZ unit for first-time solo operation, first, turn the unit on. To access the Supervisor menu, first press Access, then 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. Now you can press up and down through the menu to scroll through the menu options. Let's scroll down through the menu. Once we see that our multi-unit role is solo, we can move on to the next settings. The 3 settings we need to address when setting up our MZ unit in solo operations mode for the first time are Program, Sensitivity, and Frequency. First, let's address Program. For the MZ unit, we can use Auto Frequency Scan to scan for an appropriate unit frequency. But we're going to come back to that in just a moment. First, let's address our program. By default, the MZ is set to Special Events. However, using the plus and minus keys, we can scroll through a number of different options for the MZ unit. Choose an option that's appropriate to your facility setting. Once you've done this, scroll down through the menu. Next, you'll see the base sensitivity. We recommend a starting base sensitivity of 155 to 165 for most scenarios. If you have a special scenario that requires additional consideration, we recommend you use a test object and perform a manual review of that object using the MZ. We're going to leave this unit at 155 for now. Now, scroll up through the menu. Once you are at Auto Frequency Scan, press plus to start the frequency scan. The unit will now scan for the best possible frequency within its range. Once the unit has found the best frequency, press Operate. This will exit the Supervisor menu. Once you've pressed Operate the first time, press it again to review your settings. You should see a unit that is in solo mode with your selected frequency, your selected program, and your selected base sensitivity. Once you see the battery power symbol and the ready light, you're good to go. For some applications, these basic guidelines may be insufficient. To learn how to adjust the MZ6100 settings to handle these environments, see the calibration video. In that video, you will learn how to modify the sensitivity of your walkthrough to address the threat objects particular to your facility's needs. Remember, the MZ only illuminates on one side of the detector when it alarms, whether the threat object is on the left, right, or center of the body. If a subject alarms, the detection area should scan as clear before the subject is allowed past. Be sure to scan across the entire threat area. Subjects who don't comply should be subject to normal facility security protocols, according to the supervisor's policy.